we are on a roll. So I figured out how to not have my camera focus. I mean, autofocus, and it drives me nuts. You guys see that. So I put on manual focus, I focused in, boom, boom. So we're doing an unboxing today of Black Rifle Coffee Company. Now I haven't done a subscription in ages, and it has always been the fishing boxes. But there's one thing every fisherman needs. It's a cup of coffee. And good coffee is very, 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 very hard to find. I'll put a link to Black Rifle down below. So I subscribe to this, and I have a family of a lot of coffee drinkers, and I get the subscription of 4 bags sent to me, and it's whatever they feel like. So I got their box today. It's in a camo box. Everything that they do is, military, because it was founded by veteran owned. And so whether you believe in their politics or not, that's really not up to anybody besides those who enjoy good coffee. All right, veterans are near and dear to me, but that's up to you. I want you to know that these are really good coffees. So the first thing that I pulled out was this one called 5 Alarm Fire. Now, I will tell you that their packaging is really cool looking, but it has no information whatsoever. So I had to look all these things up. And this one is got sort of hints of chocolate, molasses, and black cherry. So 5 Alarm, chocolate, molasses, and black cherry. This is a medium roast. Yeah, it's a medium roast. So really nice. I'm looking forward to trying these. The next one is Power Llama coffee. I've not looked up why they call it Power Llama. But this is a light roast, this one. And it is got almond, citrus, and chocolate notes to it. So I wrote that on the back. So that's Power Llama. And Gunship. All right. Gunship is what roast is it? It's probably a medium roast, I would guess, right? A light roast. It's a light roast. It says light roast Gunship. And this one's more of a caramel tasting notes to it. So Gunship's caramel. We only got 2 light roasts and a medium roast so far. And this, I think, is another medium. Pretty sure. Yeah, medium roast. That's right on the top. This one is their holiday one called 30 Presents Out. I was hoping that they would send this, so I had to make a pot. And this is probably one of my least favorite ones so far. It actually is more of a darker roast, in my opinion, than a medium roast. But this has sort of chocolate, citrus, and maple syrup notes to it. And when I was tasting it, my daughter and I, maybe the maple, but it has more of a fruit, a nutty flavor. And they gave me a sticker. Coffee or die sticker. It's right there. There it is. Coffee or die sticker. Already put it on my computer. Got a sticker. But this is this month's box of coffees from BRCC. So, personally, I say give them a shot. All guns, give them a shot. They're really good coffees. When I was in Los Angeles, there was this company called Handsome Coffee. Best coffee in the world I've ever had. Can't find it. They got bought out, ruined. But Black Rifle, I have had some really good. Mac V is my favorite so far. I'm really curious about the 5 Alarm Fire. Black cherry chocolate molasses. This will be an interesting one, and really quite interesting. Is good. It says, wake up the senses with a coffee blend inspired by the men and women of the Red Line. I don't know what the Red Line is. Firefighters, I would guess, because of that. So I would definitely give these guys a shot. And so this month's unboxing, bam, right there. So I might increase it to 5. I don't know. It was barely lasted. Problem with something that's good is that you have more of it. So anyway, I hope you like the Black Rifle Coffee unboxing, and I'll put a link down below. You guys check them out. It's a great gift, and they do have a really good thing going on, so check them out. If you buy 2 coffees, they give you a free gift, like a hat or a shirt, whatever you want. And try their subscription. I think they've got a really good discount right now. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you guys in the next video, which is like, I'm on a roll. So let's get my outro going with Maddie and Tay, and we'll see you guys later.
Shut up and